And you know that I have other favorite ones too. And you don't know what these are because you can't tell because you can't tell.
Because they're backwards?
Stop it, Dad.
Okay. What do you have?
I have this, but you don't know these two very well. So, first let's start opening the frozen change. Color.
Okay, so this is the color magic Elsa, right?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
That means we put something on.
Oh, we put some water in the little wand.
And
it changes the color of her dress.
Yeah.
Are you almost done?
Yeah.
Oh, and you put some little purple shoes on her?
Yeah.
Okay, so she also comes with purple shoes.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, so it looks like little purple snowflakes.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see it. And then when it dries, they disappear and you can do it all over again, right?
Mm-hmm.
Very cool. That's a pretty neat Elsa doll.
We just have a little just clear.
And those are the shoes?
Yeah. And we should open this. And it comes with some jewelry. It's just going to be shoes or a crown. And I hope I get these shoes. So let's open it up. Let me feel first. Oh, it looks like shoes. Oh, I just got one shoe. Let me check if there's another one. Oh. Yes, I do.
So you got 2 shoes.
Look at the flax of her inside.
What's inside?
Look at it.
Oh, it's pink inside?
Yeah, but look at the flax. It's not flax when you do if you do that. Yeah.
Okay. Get those shoes on.
Yeah, glad I got the shoes. They only come with 2 pairs and I got one of them. Bye-bye.